Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss new LeetCode problem which is build array from permutation. The statement of problem is given a zero base permutation nums, zero indexed, build an array arms of the same length where arms of I is equal to nums and nums of I. For each I will be greater or equal to 0 and smaller than nums dot length and return it. A zero-base permutation nums is an array of distinct integers from 0 to nums dot length minus 1. Okay, so according to the statement, we will have a nums array as an input and that array will be distinct. So what is mean by distinct? It means that all the integers present in that array will come only one time. So let's see this example in which this is the nums input array. So here we can see that each integer is present only one time. So in distinct array, it is not possible that one integer could present more than one time. So here we can see that 2 is present only one time, 5 is present only one time. So this is mean by distinct array, and that input array will be zero index. So it will start from the zero index and go to the index till nums dot length minus 1. So the maximum value here I is representing the index. So here they are mentioning that the minimum value of the index could be 0 and the maximum value of index could be nums dot length. So the length of the nums array minus 1. Okay, so now what we have to do in this example, here is the main part which we have to follow. So this is the nums array and here I is representing the index. So first of all, what we will have to do is we have to take this part. So here this is the nums array and this is index. So we will iterate this nums array starting from the zero index, and one by one we will get the value present at each index. So we will start from zero index. So here nums of I is equal to at first iteration this value of I will be 0 because our array is starting from zero index. So we will get the value which is present at zero index. So let's discuss this example. Here we can see that 5 is present at zero index. Okay, so this come here, 5 is present and zero index. Now we will again have to get the value from nums. So here first of all we will get the value present at zero index, and after getting that value we will use that value again as an index. So here the value present at zero index is 5. Now we will use this 5 as an index. So now what we will do, we will check what is present at the 5 index of the nums value. So here at 5 we can see that this is the 5 index of this nums array, or so here 4 is present. So we will put this 4 at the 0 index. Now we will move to next index, which is 1. So we will check what is present at the 1 index. So here we can see that at 1 index 0 is present. So we will put 0 here. Now we will again check what is present at 0 index of the nums array. So here we can see that at 0 index of the nums array 5 is present. So we will take this 5 and we will put at the 1 index. So we will continue this procedure until the last index, and at the end we will output this array, which is the new array. Okay, so here are some constraints that nums dot length will be smaller or equal to 1000 and greater or equal to 1. So here the maximum integers could be present in the nums array could be 1000 and minimum could be 1. Okay, so now let's move to its solution. So here we can use different languages to for this solution. So here I am selecting Python language. You can use any other language. Okay, so the solution of this problem is very simple and few lines code. So first of all, here from this scenario, we can know that we have to output an array. Our input is also an array, and our output should also an array. So for that, for an output array, we will initialize an output array which is empty at a time. So this is the array in which we will put our all the outputs, this. Okay, so now according to the statement, it is also clear that we have to iterate through the whole array one by one. So we will have to start from zero, and we have to iterate through till the last till the last integer of the array. So if we want to iterate something, then the common approach is to use loops. So here I am using for loop. So here I am using this index variable because we know that we have to get the value of the index, because we have to iterate the array according to the index. Okay, so here I will get the index of the array, and I will use this length method, and here is I will get this nums. So let me explain this. I have to run this for loop till the last index. So we know that here it is clearly mentioned that the last index will be equal to nums dot length minus 1. So here I am getting length of nums input array, and range will do this procedure. So range will run this array till nums of length minus 1. So it will start from 0 index, and this loop will run till the nums dot length minus 1 time. Okay, so so this is the output array, and this is the loop. So here in the loop, what we have to do is we have to do this same procedure. So we can copy from here, and so here I am representing index. So we will replace this I with index. You can use any other variable name. It's your choice. You want to use index, you want to use I, or you want to use any other variable name. So it's up to your choice. Now we will have to do this procedure, and the output we have to put in our output array. So what we will do, we will append the output in this output array. Okay, so here, so in each iteration, this loop will start from 0 index. So first of all, it will get the at first this index value will be 0. It will get the value present at 0 index, and after getting that value, it will use that value again as an index. Then it will get the value present at that index, and that value it will put in this output array. So this loop will run till the end of the till the last element of the array, and after that what we will do, we will return output. This is our output array. So we will at the end iteration, when we will complete, we will iterate all the through all the nums input array, then we will output the our output new output array. Okay, so now let's run this and check if this is running fine or not. Okay, so here we can see that these are two test cases, and these two test cases are accepted. So now let's submit this and check if our solution is working for all the test cases or not. Okay, so here our solution, the solution is accepted for all the test cases, and here we can see that its runtime is 88 milliseconds, and it beats 92.5 55% of user, and this is its memory. So this was the brute force approach. I hope you understand the solution, and if you have any question, then you can write in comment section. I'm available for any kind of guidance and help. So do subscribe my channel, and goodbye. We will